past the yellow glow. Lake Wilcox breathes slow as we go. Branches brushing light over morning glass. I watch the shoreline slip and pass. Open up, open wide, let the water in my eyes. No rush now, let it ride. Lake Wilcox drift, keep me still. Lake Wilcox drift over every hill, keep me still. Lake Wilcox drift, soft and slow. Lake Wilcox drift, let it go. Low above the calm, tracing every curve. Trees leaning close, like they know the words. Reflections stretch out, silver under green. Nothing breaks the surface, nothing touches me.